Alright, welcome back to another episode of I Might Be a Swiss Army Fanboy. So, today we are looking at the Swiss Army Grenadier, the one from the last video. We are looking at the new bracelet that I ordered for it. So I did get the old one on Amazon. This one is from the same company. They were super cool about placing it. I showed them a picture of what happened, with how it came, and they took care of it no problem. So, this is the new bracelet. Looks amazing. Better finishing than the last one. No issues. Super happy with it now. So let's take a quick look at it. I'll show you guys all about it. Here we go. So this is the new bracelet. It's got no issues. Looks slick. Very happy with it. I think the finishing on it is nicer than the last one. It articulates better. I think everything about it is much better. There's no, maybe it's the fact that it didn't come flawed that just makes me feel so much happier about it. I feel proud to wear it now. So these Swiss Army watches, Swiss Army, Victorinox, Wenger, all these different watches, they've been really nice. Really been enjoying wearing them, selling some of them. But yeah, this watch, man, I'm gonna give you guys a shot on the wrist. Hold on 1 second. All right, here we go with the shot on the wrist. Man, that thing is clean, man. Has a ton of micro adjustments so you can fit it exactly how you want. No complaints at all on this bracelet now. Just fully brushed. Matches that brushed bezel with just that case polish. Gives a nice little contrast. Yeah, man. Loving this thing now. So I would fully recommend this now. The company who I ordered it from, super cool about sending a return. Give me a new watch right out. Said they would like inspect it personally, make sure it was fine, and yeah, came in a couple days. So yeah, I would fully recommend it now. But also this watch, just a cool simple watch every day. Looks good. So if you guys have any questions or anything, hit me up. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Probably gonna be another Victorinox you're gonna see in the next video. Thanks.